Hey everybody! I'm here today to not lose my breath, but I am here today to give you a basketball dribbling tip to massively improve your game. That's right. This will be a very simplistic basketball dribbling tip to massively improve your game. One last time, just to drive it home, okay? Just to really let you know what the video is about. Trust me, it's worth it. Stay tuned. This will be a very simplistic, super easy, unbelievably simple basketball dribbling tip to massively improve your game. That's right. One simple tip will improve your game. I'm not great at basketball now, but when I tell you I was younger and I was like the best kid in school, I'm not lying. I was really, really good. Problem is, I'm 5'7.5". Not that I think I could ever make it to the NBA, but at least I might have made it, pretty big, decently big when I got older. But I just, height is not my forte. Charisma, as you can tell, is. So sorry, I think I should apologize about the intro. Usually I do long intros, but I kind of lost my breath there. So anyways, and I said the topic like 3 times or 4 times. But anyways, this is a basketball dribbling tip, very, very simple. I'm just going to show off for a second here so you get some credibility. All right, is that good enough for you? You got some credibility or what? You guys ready to learn about the tip or what? Huh? You want to learn about the tip? Okay, let's go. The tip is, and I'll go more into it, I'll go more elaborately into it, so stay tuned, is to use your fingertips to dribble the ball. So check this out. A lot of people think that you got to use your shoulder, your forearms, even your wrist to dribble. Honestly, yes, all of those muscles are activated. All of those, mechanics are activated. Those bodily mechanics are activated when you dribble. But I would argue like 90% of dribbling is done with the fingertip. So what you're going to do is you're going to practice. I'm going to angle the camera downward over here. You're going to practice dribbling with your fingertips. Let's go a little bit lower so you can see the floor over here. Okay? So literally, let's just get some of this stuff out of this. Sorry. A little bit of a disaster in the garage. I'm doing a whole bunch of work and a whole bunch of content, and I just, I let things get messy. But anyways, you're just essentially going to get your fingertip like this, and you're going to dribble just with your fingertips like this. Okay? Just fingertips. Now this is not how you dribble in a real game, but you're practicing. Okay? So just like that with your fingertips. And as you get better, right? As you get better, it's hard for, I'm just telling you, I'm sitting on a chair right now, so just bear with me. And I'm looking at the camera. As you get better, you're gonna go index finger, okay? Middle fingers, ring fingers, pinky fingers, and just continue doing that. Back from pinkies to rings, and so forth. You're gonna just practice with individual fingers and 2 at a time. What you're doing is you're training your fingers to work in unison with each other, okay? Training them to work in unison with each other to get better at dribbling. Then you can do 3 fingers at a time. All your fingers, right? And then you can go lower and lower. So check this out. I'm gonna go a little bit lower and lower. So check this out, right? And as you go lower, you're gonna go faster. Right? Very, very simple. Then one-handed. Other hand. And then as you practice and get better, right? Your dribbles are just gonna be fluid, side to side, right? Whoop. Through the legs, just like that. Very, very simple, okay? Honestly, 90% of the dribbling skill has to do with your fingertips. Look at this. This is a proper dribble. Obviously, if I was going higher, that would be key. You can go harder with the ball, right, for control, and then lighter for control. Harder, lighter. Hard, light. Hard, light. Hard, light. Just like that, right? That's it. Honestly, one of the best things. And you can also do spin it, right? Just like that. The key here is training your fingertips to do the work. If your fingertips can do the work, then you will get much better at dribbling a basketball. Then when you're dribbling in a real life situation, right? Let's adjust the camera upwards, right? When you're dribbling in a real life situation, your fingertips are already trained to do the work. They're gonna do the work, and that's my cue there because my garage lights are turning off. Let's get this to turn back on with them. It's got a motion sensor in it somewhere here. I think it's over here on the opener. There we go. Anyways, that's it. That is honestly a basketball dribbling tip to massively improve your game, get you better at the sport. Really, really easy to incorporate. A little bit of practice, 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, and it makes a world of a difference. And that's it. If you like this video, basketball, sport, instructional tutorial, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. Sorry, last thing. My neighbor, shout out to my neighbor Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie actually gave me this basketball. Her kids are grown, and I have 4 young kids. So she said, hey, you know what? My kids no longer need to use this. They know they've all moved out, they moved on with their lives, but your kids will probably use it. So she gave us this basketball, and we use it like crazy. So anyways, this is just a little fun shout out to my neighbor, Anne-Marie. Yeah, and her husband. Thank you guys so much. Anyways, if you like this instructional, and Anne-Marie, I don't know if they're going to see this, but if you do, honestly, thank you guys so much. But yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like the video tutorial about a basketball dribbling tip to massively improve your game, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.